Hi there, thanks for stopping by, and I trust you're well. I have received a couple of requests about doing a cabin tour, and today on this video, we are going to take a look at one of the staterooms on board the Ovation of the seas. And they don't call them cabins here, they call them staterooms. So are you ready? Welcome back, and to my subscribers, I want to thank you for your love and your support for this channel. You're awesome. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing and smash that notification bell, and that way you'll not miss out on any future videos. I'm on deck number 7, and it's one of the superior ocean view cabin which has a private balcony. And today I'll take you around this stateroom so that you can see some of the things or some of the highlights of this stateroom. The stateroom is very spacious, bright and airy, with every detail well thought out. If you have cruised before, then you'll not fail to notice how big this bed is. And the temperature of the room is awesome. Even when cruising to the Alaska in this early winter season, with the climate control of the room, you can easily set the room to your desired temperature. Talking about storage areas, it is plenty, with ample space to store everything. There is 2 cupboards, one on the side of the bed and the other one next to the sofa. And this makes it easy for 2 people to comfortably dress together at the same time, especially on a formal night like today. And there is plenty of hanging space for both long items as well as short ones. Plenty of coat hangers to spare, as well as space to put foldable clothes. There is also drawers with more than enough storage to store all your belongings. And there is a large, comfortable sofa that also converts into a queen bed. Over here there is a minibar with tea, coffee, sugars and a kettle. Then below there is also a mini fridge with a lock that you can set pin. And also there is also a safe on one of the cupboards just in case you need to store your valuables or travel documents. The desk area also doubles as a dressing table, and here on the drawer you will have your hair dryer, so there is no need to bring one from home. And on a rough sea day, if you want to stay in and enjoy room service in your cabin, then you can also pull the table next to the sofa and you can comfortably enjoy your meal. And for the TV, it's a smart interactive standard for Royal Caribbean. It has lots of features, including the ability to check your onboard account, which I found important. It is very well placed on the wall that you can even enjoy or watch TV from the comfort of your sofa area. On one side of the bed there is a phone, and on the other side there is a USB power socket. And also just next to the desk there is more power points for both American and European types of adapters. There is also USB outputs, and this gives you plenty of options to charge your devices. And for the bathroom, it's a modern one, bright and clean, and features an okay sized shower with glass. The shower head has got 3 different modes you can choose from, and with nice water pressure. And for your convenience, the bathroom is equipped with soap and shower gel. Underneath the wash basin, you can find a bin and even more storage. Actually, there is plenty of space to store all your toiletries. I did notice that in the bathroom it has a night light, so you do not have to turn any lights on during that night trip. And now the best part, my favorite, is the balcony. There's comfortable furniture for two, and here I got my own private space to stay away from everyone else and just enjoy the majesty of the ocean views and also get some tan. And on the balcony door, there's also a child safety lock just in case you've got some kids you're worried about. And then its double glazed window is amazing how well it actually blocks out. Finally, my last tip is that you can keep your bags and suitcases underneath the bed. Let me know in the comment section below your thoughts about this video. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and that way the algorithms will recommend this video to more people, and you will also be helping in the growth of this channel. And once again, if you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, stay safe. Boni out.